So basically after I start up the car, right, so there's a tuck sound, like something knocking on the engine, and then it disappears, right? And then the other thing is there's this like wind noise coming from the front of the engine. Probably, I don't know, I cannot seem to find the source of the noise, where it's coming from, but I think it's coming from somewhere near the belt. So yeah, basically I couldn't source out from where. So what do you guys think? So just want to make a bit of recap of the video that I've compiled together with. So basically, you see all the weird sounds that my car is making. Like upon startup, there's this clicking sound, and then a bit of air, wind kind of noise coming from the engine, especially when I accelerate more, and then the sound gets more louder. So again, this is a follow-up recap of the previous video I've made, because I think there was some missing part of the video showing about the startup of the car. So again, I'd like to ask if you guys have any encounter, or you guys happen to know what issue that I am facing right now with the car. Do drop in the comments. Okay, meanwhile, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna discuss about the pop and bangs. Okay, and stage 2 tuning. Right, take care, bye bye.